This is the Whole Child Committee's second quarter review. These are our IndyStar indicators for our committee. Here is a list of the tasks we have completed to date. Here is a sample of the presentation we did for the Capturing Kids' Hearts January Jamboree. SEARS data analysis. Here are our referrals for quarter 2. We had 34 major referrals, 94 minor referrals, and a total of 128 referrals. These are the locations in which those referrals occurred, and these are the various times of day. Our referrals by quarter, our major referrals have gone up, but our minor referrals and our total amount of referrals have decreased from quarter 1 to quarter 2.
Card updates. These are our Compass cards given out by week for this quarter. Unfortunately, we have gone down in our Compass cards. We'd like to encourage you to give out Compass cards to classes that you see in the hallway, in the cafeteria, during transitions, and during specials. If you need any Compass cards, please let our committee know so that we can cut and copy more for you. We continue to give out positive office referrals. Please let us know if you need any copies of this sheet so that we can continue to represent our students who are good role models for our school. Our positive office referral display. For second quarter, we did 63 positive office referrals. We did not meet our goal of 100, so please continue to write our students up for positive office referrals. Next steps for our committee include continued Capturing Kids' Hearts and Class Dojo support, weekly Compass card counts with announcements and rewards, SEARS data analysis, identifying frequent flyers, positive office referrals, Capturing Kids' Hearts continued training, positive office referrals utilizing recognition wall. Again, we would like to receive 100 positive office referrals for quarter 3. That's 4 per teacher. And getting materials for teachers for Capturing Kids' Hearts and our Excel model.